Welcome back, everybody. Today, I'm going to teach you how to use report filters in Salesforce. Filters are essential for narrowing down your data to show exactly what you need, whether you're tracking sales opportunities, monitoring account activity, or analyzing performance metrics. Let's walk through the process step by step. First, you'll need to open or create a report. Head over to the Salesforce Lightning homepage and click the Reports tab in the navigation bar at the top. From here, click New Report to start building your custom report. You'll be prompted to choose a report type, such as accounts or opportunities, depending on what data you want to analyze. Once you've made your selection, click Start Report to launch the Report Builder interface. Now that you're in the Report Builder, look to the left side of your screen and click the Filters tab. This will open the Filters panel, which displays any existing filters that Salesforce has already applied by default, such as Show Me and Date filters. These help you get started, but you'll want to add your own custom filters to refine your results further. To add a new filter, locate the Add Filter dropdown in the Filters panel. Start typing the name of the field you want to filter by. For example, you might type Industry, Owner, or Stage, depending on what criteria matters most to your report. As you type, Salesforce will display matching field names. Click on the one you need from the list that appears. Once you've selected a field, a new filter row will appear with three key components. First is the field name itself, like amount or status. Second is the operator, which defines how the filter works. You can choose options like equals, contains, or greater than. Third is the value field, where you'll enter the specific value you're filtering for. After filling in these details, click Apply to activate your filter. Here's a helpful tip. Make sure Update Preview automatically is turned on in the top right corner of the report builder. When this is enabled, Salesforce will instantly apply your filter and refresh the preview below, so you can see your results change in real time without having to manually refresh. If you need to make changes later, editing or removing filters is straightforward. To edit a filter, simply click on the filter row in the Filters panel, then adjust the operator or value as needed. To remove a filter entirely, click the trash icon on the right side of the filter row and it'll be deleted immediately. Once you're satisfied with your filters and the data looks correct, it's time to save your work. Click Save in the top right corner of the report builder. If this is a new report, you'll be asked to enter a report name and choose a folder where it will be stored. After that, click Save again. To view your final filtered results in full, click Run. And that's it. You've successfully set up and applied report filters in Salesforce to get the exact data you need. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.